morning, gorgeous. Here are some outfits I think you're absolutely going to love. These are all currently from my closet and everything is linked below. Give this a like and subscribe, it's totally free. I have way too many clothes as it is that I have not used or even touched. I also hate waste, so I'm gonna use these clothes into the ground. I don't care if they are not the best quality, but I bought them, I own them. I probably wanted to keep them for a very long time, and I'm so grateful that I had the right mind. These styles are still in style. They are timeless. That's a true testament to having good taste, is that it transcends time. Sign up for my newsletter linked below for monthly mood boards and style and outfit ideas. I think you're absolutely going to love them. Just as a heads up, my measurements are down below in the description. This top might look completely different on you. So I have an F cup chest, but I'm very petite, and this is what it looks like. Ribbed, and it has a seam down the middle, and then it's got this wing notch collar. Would wear this with high-waisted trousers that are a bit dressed up, so some double pleated trousers. But I'm gonna show you how I would dress it for work or for my daily life. Now this is more me, it's more my personality. So this has two textures going on. It's got pleats, it's got ribbing with the knit here, and then it has a little zipper with a grommet hook and eye. But I like to turn it slightly away so that it doesn't bulge and look as bulky on the waist. It's also very forgiving. Look at the movement. This is crazy beautiful. I'm so glad that I pulled this out again, and I'm not afraid to wear dark colors in the spring or summer. I actually stand out a bit more. I would like to wear white in the winter. It's really lightweight and it's not lined, so just as a heads up, if you do prefer a slip underneath, I like to not have a slip as long as you can't see it in between your legs. This is what it looks like when it is tucked and everything is fastened. When you tuck in your shirt, there's actually a way to do it. I'm going to show you how to do it. The rule is from finishing schools, and this finishing school rule is also in the military, because militaries are finishing schools for gentlemen. When you place your top inside your skirt or trousers, place your top inside your trousers all the way around. Make sure that it is smooth. I like to make sure the zipper is either in front or in back, but in back is better, so it's less noticeable. You have to make everything symmetrical. If you're in the military, the eye goes down, everything is symmetrical, and that's the rule. It's really easy. I am not good when it comes to tying beautiful bows, but you can simply tie it in the back or in the front. You can tie it like this. It's too much going on in the front for me. I prefer a more seamless, streamlined look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. This color is not necessarily a teal, I would say. It's only polyester satin. This is what I would call a peacock blue. This is the actual length of the top. I just want to show you that it's not cropped, and I prefer things this way because you have more options with it. This color is scientifically studied to do your taxes. Just kidding. No, this top is scientifically studied to look good on every single complexion, and it's also another full-length top. This is what it looks like. I can see this with white trousers or white jeans. Other satin trousers, olive. I like mixing different monochromatic tones of green. If I were simply at home, this is how I dress because it's so comfortable, it's so easy and flowy. You can move around. I did not plan on showing you this skirt. It's 100% silk. It's less than $50. This is why it's creased, because I did not plan to film this in the video, but I also have this in black. I also have another one of this exact same color, this grayish, also available in navy. I'll have it linked below with everything else. I call it my Kate Middleton skirt because when it's steamed, it's a little bit more flowy with movement, but this has been stiff. My waist is 26. This elastic band is not the fittest around your waist, so I wear this mid-rise or a little bit low-rise, so somewhere in between there. Here is the black version of this halter top. It is the exact same material. It's polyester. It's very satiny. So beautiful. I'm not into wearing all black, but I know there are people out there who are in the city who love wearing all black and being mysterious and moody. This is not my thing, but it's not my personality, and I feel like it looks so severe and so aggressive. And at work, if I wear black, I look so intimidating where I can't be intimidating. I should be the person that you would want to talk to and not be afraid of approaching. Here is a collared mini dress. It's like a tennis dress, but it's a rib knit. I saw this on Alo Yoga for $100. I think it was like 110 or so. It has a performance material, which is all the difference, and they have a couple other colors, but I found this. I'll have this link below. I'll also link the Alo Yoga one below, because this is more of a proper dress where it is meant to be worn not doing sports or absorbing your sweat. So this is really cute if you don't play tennis. I used to play tennis, actually was on the team. If for those of you who don't know, I was not good, but our team was so bad that I kind of looked good, which was hilarious. We did not wear anything like this. Our school didn't have the budget for it, so we just wore hoodies and like shorty volleyball shorts. That's a bit better. So same military rules for using a belt. This is not the best quality that I would personally go for, so I would definitely sell this on Poshmark and try out the Aloe Yoga one. It's really sad that I purchased all these clothes and I can't even wear them because they're not the best quality. I didn't really try them on, so I'm glad I donated all those 19 other bags. Let me know what you think in the comments below, because this is not my favorite. I think this is the ultimate giveaway of something that's not high quality the way the stitching is. Just as a heads up, in case you're not familiar with the backstory or have not been on my channel before, I did not shop for several years for myself. All the money I put into my business, and then all of a sudden I had free reign, and then I went and purchased a bunch of cheap clothes because I finally could shop for myself. So I bought a bunch of trendy clothes that were not timeless. Only some of them made it through to the move across the United States from the Pacific time zone to the Eastern time zone. I'm selling all my clothes. I'm taking all this time to go through it and make inventory for our last move to the house that we just bought. Oh no, story of my life. I present to you the puffy shirt. This doesn't cinch up to your waist like this. This is like this. It's pleated. It doesn't have hook and eye grommets. I can add that later. Sorry for the clothes on the chair. That is something that I can add myself. I don't know how I feel about this skirt. I don't absolutely love it. I purchased it over 2.5 years ago and I did not wear them. I do like the top. This is great for work. However, I feel like it swallows me. This is fine though with this kind of top. It's really elegant. It's a little bit pearlescent. It's got that satin material. Wear a bra with this if you're gonna go to work. I'm not a fan too much of puff sleeves. I think it's a little too romantic. For my case, I prefer a simple, relaxed sleeve because I have broad shoulders to begin with. I just look like a block going straight down. This is what it looks like when it's loose. It's full length, it's oversized. It's meant to be tucked in for sure, or worn with something that is a bit more fitted on the bottom. I'm a huge fan of this really ladylike silhouette. I look like I'm from Gone with the Wind. The movement of this pleat is really pretty. Compared to the black pleats, this part where the waist is, it's not as fitted. Very similar colors, but this has more pink in it, and this is more cream. I really don't like this. This makes me look like I am 40 pounds overweight. I really like the top by itself. This skirt is what makes me look huge. It has a cinching, and this is a problem. I don't like when it's ruched in the back with elastane. The worst for a skirt for me, I noticed. So this is pleated with large pleats. It's lined and it's cream, so it makes me look huge. This has another bishop sleeve, very musketeer style. Top is buttoned. I always love satin buttons. They look fabulous. My mom had a bunch of satin hangers growing up and they were really delicate. It's a bit softer. It makes it look smaller, but this top is really not good on me. It's doing me no favors. It's shortening my arms and it's making my shoulders look even larger. Otherwise, if this had a soft shoulder, I wouldn't mind at all. This is another top. It has this twist front and it still has the puff sleeves. It just does not work on me. It's got these buttons that you need to fasten that are plastic, so this is definitely going in the donation pile. It's full length. It feels thicker satin and it's obviously not flattering. I could wear this to work. It's definitely more flattering than the other styles. I have to wear some really starchy, stiffer trousers in order to conceal such a detail. This dress is beautiful. It's a wrap dress. It's a very light peachy color. Very neutral, tan, peachy, really long. I hate when it's really long because then it's just an encumbrance. So you could do it like this. I'm gonna do it like this to keep it streamlined and simple, but it can come out, so just as a heads up. But I did bind it very tight. Slinky material that sits on your body like a second skin, which I absolutely love. Very flattering. This is my style. This is how I dress. I have about 10 million wrap dresses, in case you didn't know. But this color, I don't have this color. I have something similar that's like a more tan coral. Otherwise, I like the length too. I have a ton of wrap dresses in this material. The only thing about this material is that you need to steam it a lot. I definitely have to wear a bra with this. This doesn't suit me. I'm too short. It's lined. The material on top is not very heavy heavy, so it needs to be heavier for it to drape beautifully. It's really plunge, so if you're thinking about this just as a heads up, you might need some fashion tape. I can see bits of my bra here. I guess it can be worn off the shoulder. Let me see. Somewhat. It's a bit romantic, the notion. It makes you look wide because of the drop waist here. Let me know what you think, because this is a really pretty gingham gauze cheesecloth material. Doubt that it's actual cheesecloth. I think it's just polyester made to look like it. Polyester is really known for imitating other materials very well. It's flowy, it's romantic, but I don't think it's gonna be breathable because it is polyester. I have a couple other styles and then some, but I'm gonna show you through my LTK, my Instagram, Pinterest, because I have tons of mood boards of spring outfit ideas, outfit inspiration. So sign up to my newsletter linked below so that it goes straight to you and you're not wandering on social media all day long wasting your time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.